Hey everyone, welcome to a review of the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 Lightspeed, a flagship gaming mouse created specifically for professional gamers. Logitech claims that it was developed in collaboration with some of the top esports athletes worldwide, and it combines extreme lightness, advanced technology, and exceptional precision. But how does this mouse truly perform? Let's dive into it. The appearance of the Logitech Pro X Superlight 2 reflects its main purpose: maximum efficiency with minimal weight. Weighing just 60 grams, it significantly reduces hand fatigue, making it comfortable for prolonged gaming sessions. The ergonomic shape helps in positioning the palm naturally, ensuring that long-term use remains comfortable. The mouse is available in 3 colors, black, pink, and white, allowing gamers to choose according to their preference. Made of high-quality plastic, the mouse feels durable and resistant to wear, despite its lightweight build. The body is fitted with 5 buttons. 2 primary buttons, a clickable scroll wheel, and 2 side buttons for easy thumb control. There's an LED indicator beneath the main buttons, which informs users about battery life. While the mouse doesn't feature the flashy RGB lighting you might expect from a gaming device, it stays true to its minimalist, practical appearance, a deliberate choice for a professional audience. Sensor and performance: the Hero 2 sensor is the heart of the Pro X Superlight 2. With a resolution of up to 32,000 dpi, the mouse responds with precision to even the slightest hand movements, allowing you to aim and react quickly during fast-paced gaming situations. This level of sensitivity ensures that even at high speeds, up to 12.7 meters per second, the mouse maintains smooth tracking. Equipped with Lightspeed wireless technology, the mouse maintains stable and reliable connectivity, with no noticeable lag up to 10-meter range. This ensures that you're always on top of your game without worrying about wireless delays. Light Force hybrid switches: one of the standout features of this mouse is its Light Force switches, which combine the speed and reliability of optical switches with the tactile feedback of mechanical ones. This hybrid appearance offers fast and satisfying clicks, making it ideal for gamers who need both precision and a responsive feel. It's a great balance of speed and tactile satisfaction without sacrificing battery life. Battery life and charging: speaking of battery life, the Pro X Superlight 2 provides up to 95 hours of continuous gameplay. This is a significant advantage for wireless mice, especially during long tournaments or gaming marathons. When it's time to recharge, the mouse supports USB-C, and for even more convenience, it is compatible with PowerPlay wireless charging. This feature allows you to charge the mouse while gaming without any cables, keeping you in action. Conclusion: the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 is a truly outstanding professional gaming mouse, offering high precision, speed, and durability. With its Hero 2 sensor, Light Force hybrid switches, and Lightspeed wireless technology, this mouse delivers exceptional results across a wide range of games. The long battery life is a bonus for competitive players who value performance without the hassle of frequent charging. For gamers looking for a top-tier, lightweight wireless mouse developed with professional gaming in mind, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I expect you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.